Hi guys, and welcome to The Impulsive Beauty. Today we are looking over at the Boxycharm base box. The Boxycharm base box. This is the April box. And I know I did say I canceled, which I did, but I think I did not cancel it fast enough. And I haven't even opened it. It just came in today, so I am going to open it right now, see what I got, and see if there's anything worth saving in here. Let's see what we got. We got a coupons, I guess. I do not know what Boxy pop-up is because I'm new to Boxycharm. Oh, okay, it tells me what I got. And another coupon, I think, for the makeup eraser. So let's go ahead. What the fuck? Oh, okay. Sorry. This thing was blocking like 2 things, and I thought I only got 3 things. So I was really gonna be disappointed then. I got the Pore Professional, the Hydrate one. I actually have this thing right here, but I haven't even opened it. I bought it as a 3 set before I knew that Benefit is not cruelty-free. I don't know why. I always been under the impression that they are cruelty-free, and I think a lot of people are. I don't know why. But I bought it, and I bought the 3 like mini set, and they're just sitting in my drawer, all 3 of them. But anyway, I might give this a try. I think everyone got this. My sister got this. I don't know if it's this one or another one. All right, okay, I'm not too disappointed, but I believe I got the exact same thing as my sister again. Almost the exact same thing, because she also got this. This is the iconic illuminator in the original. I know she got this because she sent me a video yesterday of what she got. All right, so I got an illuminator. Then yep, she definitely got this too. I got this Elemis Superfood, I cannot even read this. Calm Hydration Juice. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is mostly makeup. Then I got this Iconic London. What shade is this? This is a lip plumping gloss in Peekaboo. If you guys seen, oh, I haven't released it yet. I'm probably gonna release it after this video, so I have a lot of these. Not these, but a lot of lip glosses. But this is cool. I like it. And I got this eyeliner. I know it's an eyeliner because my sister got it. So I think the only thing that my sister didn't get might be this. I got the exact same thing as she did, unless she didn't tell me that. But anyway, so I got these right here, and I know they're colored pink and blue. It says Illuminati Gel Paint, Electric Pink and Electric Blue. I saw the swatches because my sister swatched them immediately. Let's see. I do not use eyeliner. I do not know if you guys, if I said it in my shorter videos, but this is what that one looks like. Ooh, it's a nice, I mean, she showed it to me. It was pretty electric. And this is the blue one. I usually don't use eyeliners. Oh my god, I used to love eyeliners. Like, I would not go anywhere without eyeliner, and now I do not use them at all. And that's because, I don't know, they're so hard to get out of the eye. So I'm into skincare a lot. So just because getting this out of your eye is so hard. But these colors are so tempting by the look of my eyes. I mean, you can see that these are my colors. So I know my sister just texted me literally 30 minutes ago, and she was like, "Do you get your box yet?" And I was like, "Bitch, I haven't opened it yet." And she's like, well, let me know as soon as you open it, because I know she wants to probably trade. But I got her exact same box because I know she didn't want these. She wanted something else. I don't know. But we got the same box, so we cannot trade. Anyway, what did you guys get? I'm actually not mad about this box. I know the previous 2 videos I wasn't so happy about about Boxycharm. But this box is it's good. It's fine. I don't have any bad things to say about it. It's mostly makeup, which I like, and I get some new things to try out, which it's cool. What do you guys think about Boxycharm this month? And do you make your choices? What do you choose? Because I just chose today. And even though my thing is mostly makeup, a little skincare, I did choose, because I have premium now, I did cancel this. I chose the eye cream. I know, I mean, the only other choice really was eye cream or the Too Faced bronzer. And I was like, dude, I can buy that Too Faced bronzer for like a TJ Maxx or something, you know? Like, so I got the eye cream. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video and see what I got. Let me know what you guys got, and I will see you guys later. And don't forget to subscribe if you like. Bye-bye.